You can now specify custom feed and speed parameters for closed area engages in cavity mill, rest milling, corner rough, floor and wall, and planer mill operations. Previously, a single engage feed rate controlled both open and closed engages for these operation types. Prior to this release, custom feed and speed parameters were available only for adaptive milling operations. Using a normal engage feed rate for open engages while reducing the engage feed rate for closed engages optimizes performance time and can extend tool life and produce a better surface finish when using a spiral engage with a steep ramp.